Okay, so what is BipOS made of? There's 3 core pillars. Pillar number 1 is analysis, starting with the question of what is wrong? What's wrong with my website? What's wrong with my Google Map listing? What's wrong with my authority? What's wrong with my business? Why don't I have any? How come I can't be found? How come my business isn't quoted in Google AI overviews? How come ChatGPT never references my business, right? That's the analysis piece. So on BipOS, you got the full audit tool and you have the full SEO authority scans. You're gonna know on BipOS, you're gonna know exactly where you stand and where you need to improve, okay? So that's pillar number 1 is the analysis. Pillar number 2 is the execution, right? This is the engine in BipOS. This is actually the thing that blows my mind, right? Because again, I've been in this industry doing what we do for 15 years. I know the problem, I know the struggle. We have all these tools for analysis, but again, they all leave you right at the point where you actually have to do things to fix it. That's what BipOS solves. It's the execution, it fixes it. BipOS fixes everything immediately. So we got AI prompts to fix issues. We have AI prompts that are gonna write blog posts for you. They're gonna generate social media posts for you. They're gonna create pages for you. They're gonna create backlinks for you. They're gonna analyze your website, like take SEMrush for example. And I don't wanna start throwing platforms under the bus, but I'll throw SEMrush under the bus a little bit here. And I say this because we have clients who literally forward us their SEMrush report that they just got that says, here's 217 critical SEO errors that you need to fix right now on your website. That's the email they get with this report. And then our clients literally forward it to me. How do I fix this? You see the fundamental problem with that, right? That's what exists in the marketplace. BipOS not only will do the same analysis, but now BipOS will start executing the fixes for you. So gone are the days of you just getting these reports on, here's all these things wrong, here's all these things you need to do, here's all these things, right? BipOS will show you all of that, but the platform will actually start executing and fixing it for you, okay? That's really the differentiator in the world of SEO apps is the execution part. And then finally, the third pillar is optimize and manage for ongoing growth. So we start with pillar 1, the analysis, analyzing everything, getting all the data. Pillar number 2 is executing, actually fixing and executing all these tasks. Pillar number 3, it's building off the momentum of the execution pillar. As you're fixing all these issues, now the platform is looking at what's working, literally logging what's working. It's doing full AI analysis on here's exactly what's working. Here's all the points that are getting the most momentum. And it starts capitalizing on those data points to build more momentum. So this is a single platform. It's like a perpetual compounding growth engine for your business. And those are the 3 pillars of BipOS. Number 1, analysis. Number 2, execute. And then number 3 is the ongoing optimization, the ongoing growth, okay? A couple of real world examples. Who BipOS is for. Obviously, like we built it first for our agency because we had all these problems that I'm literally describing to you, right? So we hit this wall of growth. We hit this wall of this like perpetual, like sliding, like, what's the word I want? It's like a degrading slope, so to speak. The more clients we add, the more team members, the more tools, just to add more clients, which means we need more team members, more tools. It's like a perpetual kind of insanity loop, so to speak. So we built it first and foremost for agencies. BipOS solves all of that so that you as an agency and us as our agency, so that we can focus on really what we do best, and that is customer relations and new sales. Because now all of the analysis, execution, and optimization, all of that is now solved on BipOS. So that's use case number 1, you as an agency. Number 2 is a freelancer, okay? We are actually working directly with consultants as we speak who are using BipOS so that they can focus on their relationships with their clients and new sales, bringing on more clients on their consulting business, while BipOS is executing to amazing results to everything that that individual consultant needs. And then number 3 is obviously the local business or any business owner. So whether you're a small local business needing amazing SEO work for your business, or we actually have enterprise clients where we're working directly with the director of marketing, we're working with the CMO of the enterprise business. Those are the key demographics, from agencies to freelancers and consultants to the individual local business owners to even the enterprise level businesses, the directors of marketing, the CMOs. Everybody has this one common denominator of a problem, and that is this perpetual loop of inefficiency. If I add more clients, that means more production work. That means I need to find a way to get more tools, hire more people, all these. That's a huge debilitating problem for any individual, any agency, any consultant, any enterprise level business. BipOS solves 100% of that from the top down. So now all of the key SEO executables are now being executed for you in a way that entire teams of people wouldn't actually, it's not that they never would be able to do it, but you would need entire teams. Imagine how much it would cost to have an entire team of researchers and an entire team of enterprise level writers, and then an entire team of editors, and then an entire team of web dev who takes content and publishes it, and then an entire team of data and analytics people. Like, it's insane, and it's just not achievable. And if you're an SEO agency, you know exactly the problem I'm talking about, where the problem of growth, right? So that's who BipOS is built for. Okay, why this changes the complete landscape. The complete SEO game is completely changed with BipOS, because most platforms, I would say almost all platforms that you know of, all the ones you know of, the ones I mentioned, they all stop at insights. They exist for you to add your GBP, add your website, add all this stuff so that you can get analysis and insights from their platform. That's where they stop. Okay, SEMrush, their website audit report, is a great example. Here's the 227 critical errors. Have fun fixing it. Okay, BipOS closes that gap. It gives you the same report, same analysis, but then executes it for you on your behalf so that you can focus on growing your business while letting BipOS do all of the hard work, all the heavy lifting that is virtually impossible for most individual and agencies to solve, especially at scale. Okay? So, in closing, the launch date, June 1st, it's coming right up in just a few weeks. If it's before June 1st, get ready, get on our email list, be watching the App Store, watch our YouTube, our social media. We're going to be talking a ton about it. Get ready, BipOS, it's coming on June 1st. If it's after June 1st, get on the App Store, look for Bip SEO or BipOS, go to our website, you'll see the links to it, and that's it. So thank you again for watching and listening to another episode of SEO Secrets. Again, I'm Bobby from Bipper Media, and we will see you on the next episode.